Start with a slip knot. And chain 26, or else you can start off with any even number of chains. This measures 8 inches. One single crochet in the fourth chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth chain. Chain 1. Skip the next stitch, and in the next stitch make a single crochet. Chain 1. Skip one stitch, and in the next stitch make a single crochet. Now repeat this until the end. Chain 1, skip 1 and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Once you reach the end, chain 2 and turn your work. Next round. Now this round onwards we'll be working only in this chain 1 spaces. This is the first single crochet and this is the chain 1 space. Make 1 single crochet into this chain 1. Chain 1. Skip the single crochet and into this chain 1 space 1 single crochet. Chain 1. Skip the single crochet, 1 single crochet into the chain 1 space. Now repeat this until the end. Chain 1, 1 single crochet into the chain 1 space. Now once you reach the end, this is the single crochet and this is the last chain 1 space. Make the last stitch into this chain 1 space. This is how it will look. Now to make the turning chain, chain 2 and turn your work. Now just keep repeating this round until you reach the size which you need. Again, we'll be working only in this chain 1 spaces. This is the first single crochet and this is the chain 1 space. 1 single crochet into this one. Chain 1, 1 single crochet into the next space. Chain 1, 1 single crochet. This is the last space. Make the last single crochet into this space. Chain 2. Turn your work and start working the next round. This is how the pattern will look. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.